Members of the press, po yu twal, po yu jalo karewume binu e luoman nyea obedo Aceng Patricia Ogwang binu kere chwer chwin iwang yich aduong tutwal metiti luak me Lira City igina meti atimere mono NRM party ame wandushu oti yeni nyo enama kati ye atira tir me chungchalo ame parliament adaho me Lira City imwa hatutumia rioke da paru ya beach mana meti luak me Lira City nge kere timma me tia meti atiyu komjo Lira City ni abina choye anu abedo resident me Kampala kwena me uluoni mutungo so thereafter atidwogo Lira kan imwa hatutumia rioke de pira rio me binu teach chala cho amut ikare me voice of lango gama enama binu ni da titi chaber enna haichawani amitu mokilwak me Lira City ni lwenya meti wunyugunu meti pate me NRM obedo lweny meti yukom lweny me achai ame ochaho neno tinini aworo kwena me achoye ye monu Te-kulu meneno ni abinudo atira tir mejo yera since i General Secretary ukati ye wan joario ento chama tunu kucha luoro tibera tietu twal RCC Egole titunu kunasha ikara mutunu tingolo nyanko i book me party structure enungolo nyani luoro mere tieni Aceng Patricia Ogwang atie chung kere Dr. Jane Ruth Aceng ento monu pu bero tema ber monu bero teme achai teme duoko pate chien pate me NRM ya kech dami to kobilwak me Lira City ni timma me Johnny tia word kere idiki dichen tieno meneno ni umaho gini jo ngolo gini nyingjo ipate me NRM pu bero tema ber eni gola chieli uworite garage kwena me chuar kwena me papa chiege Penu chwaye ye chalo mebero workers representative kunasha ujore pe chwaye mangi na matia meti luak me Lira City nge ujore pe chwaye ite NRM party ento tie me wur ni ujora chelle nye tie me ku fixing ko uchoko I NRM register pingomio NRM tie me tie ballo party NRM Lira City itela Egole Lawrence kede Dr. Jane Ruth Aceng uti utamoni pate ni ubero pate me pashugi pate me NRM ubero pate me tunga ngatoro pate me NRM ubero pate His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni domio tindini akatu kede wang yicha duong tutwal akema me Johnny yentia nyutu ikom joa metia katu me chung kede Dr. Aceng ubero gina me racho twal pi pate me NRM so ami to kobilwak me Lira City ni an ichawani nyia dongo kwanyo ko I register me NRM kerena tia loke nyia nuoti ipate pate book managing as the party in the party structure ente chawani nyia dongpe but I still want to inform you ni Puoda tia mohone I am going to contest and luora Johnny tieni luoro gi konga chiel is not about Geoffrey Twop. Luorogi number is not about any candidate who is contesting in Lira City, but their fear is Aceng Patricia Ogwang. Why? They know the reason, but I'm here to confirm to you ni an pura bime de chu luoro moro ke kename utumi to keto geni ikuona. I am not ready to abide by that. And the RCC of Lira City, I want to tell you one thing ni regardless of anything, you have to stick by your responsibilities as the RCC of Lira City. Know your jurisdiction, work by it, and don't come in to fight NRM cadres ametia metuchu ipati me NRM opoyo uno
ikomene ongala new kwa book me party ato poda yellow book poda bichung no chi hango amenu supporting chu nini
well koptieni NRM chani tiame is divided. This is one thing I should tell the people that are watching me. NRM in Lira City is divided because of personal reasons within the city. But atiame podatia kobone chuna akada chung achela lech poda bichu. If they want to throw me away from the party, it is okay. But I'm still here to confirm ni I am still going to stand as an independent and on an independent ticket. No, for now, I am still under NRM. Eto kitu kwa ginikere nyiani, we are still going to battle it out because they are not the owners of the party.
Geno meo reasons anga me kwa nyinyi.
Reason na meo mio gini party angeyo because kitametia wirekere, it is a threat. Why are they not confronting other cadres ameo chung in NRM party against Dr. Aceng Patricia? They are against me. Why? Maybe because I'm sharing a name. But nyiani pemiro bedeluoro ka cheung katume chung. Let us stand. I am also contesting, and we see who holds the party ticket. Period.
Okay.
Now, onyoko honieme tikere kom Lawrence Egole kere jokene me NRM itemo chwalo bot jokene malo party me NRM.
Kohona ame akatu kere tini ni ginipodu tuwa. It is just a shock to me to realize ni nyiandong pengo peo considering in the party structure. So omio tinini atamu ni luak me Lira City ni the division in the party that is in Lira City is too unbelievable. Ame kwachwa tieni, people have to take this step upward. Meneno ni rusha metie within the party me NRM in Lira City has to be handled and effectively for a smooth election of 2026.
How do you plan to overcome the obstacles? The
obstacles one, we are a smart party. NRM is a smart party. And since NRM is not a one-man's party, it is a party for over millions of people. And the chairperson of the party is His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. I am confident that even His Excellency is not after confusion. So the confusion that they are bringing within Lira City has to stop, and people have to know, there has to be peace in the coming election within Lira City.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.